Look who's up on her favorite basking post. It's Khaleesi, mother of dragonflies. This happens to be right near our sunflower area, which is going to seed, much to the delight of the birds, especially the little Oreos. I should say Oriole, just to make sure you're not thinking of the cookie. This is my gigantic sycamore that we've had for about 30 years. And this is our gigantic fruitless mulberry that the hummingbirds make nests in. This is so gigantic. This was planted before we even bought the house in 1979. Up there in the front is the rose garden. We have a couple of roses coming up. Not too many. Okay. There's a little one. That little yellow one has a citrusy smell. It's real pretty. I bought it this year. We have a few others we bought this year that are very lovely. The Mr. Lincoln smells really nice. And there's a purple one, I don't know its name, but it smells so sweet all over this garden. And so, we're going to tell Khaleesi, mother of dragonflies, to have a really nice Sunday.